Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a closer look at a seriously impressive little powerhouse, the GEEKOM Mini PC AX8 Max. This is not your average small form factor PC. Before we dive into all the juicy details, make sure to check the link below to grab this at the best discounted price available today. Trust me, you don't want to miss this deal. So, let's start with the heart of the system, the AMD Ryzen 780-745HS processor. This is an 8-core, 16-thread CPU with clock speeds of up to 4.9 GHz, and it's built on AMD's efficient Zen 3 Plus architecture. What does that mean for you? It means lightning-fast performance whether you're running high-demand software, crunching big spreadsheets, editing 4K videos, coding, or playing modern games. And thanks to its 3 performance modes, you can tweak it for maximum power, balanced use, or whisper quiet efficiency depending on your needs. For graphics, this mini PC features the AMD Radeon 780M CPU, and let me tell you, for an integrated solution, it's outstanding. You can comfortably play eSports titles like Valorant, Fortnite, and CS2 at high FPS, enjoy 1080p AAA gaming with optimized settings, and even dip into light 1440p gaming. It's also excellent for GPU-accelerated creative workloads, like video rendering, Photoshop, and even some 3D modeling. Memory is another area where GEEKOM didn't hold back. You get a massive 32GB of DDR5 5600 MHz RAM right out of the box. This isn't just good, it's future-proof. DDR5 is significantly faster than DDR4, giving you blazing response times and effortless multitasking. Combine that with the 1TB SSD, and you're looking at near-instant boot times, lightning-quick app launches, and transfer speeds that leave old SATA drives in the dust. Plus, you have enough storage space for your games, work files, and media library. Networking is where the AX8 Max really stands out from other mini PCs. It comes with dual 2.5G LAN ports. That's a big deal for people who run network-heavy applications, home servers, or want rock-solid, high-speed connections for streaming and large file transfers. Of course, you also get Wi-Fi 6E for ultra-fast wireless performance, and Bluetooth for connecting accessories without clutter. When it comes to connectivity, you're spoiled for choice: USB 4 ports for high-speed external drives or monitors, HDMI, DisplayPort, and more. You can easily run multiple 4K displays or even an 8K monitor, making it perfect for productivity setups or immersive entertainment systems. And let's not forget about the form factor. The AX8 Max is sleek, compact, and lightweight. It can fit behind a monitor with a VESA mount, sit discreetly on your desk, or be packed into a bag for portability. It runs whisper quiet even under heavy load, making it a great choice for quiet work environments or living rooms. Despite its small size, it has efficient cooling to keep performance consistent during long sessions. To sum it all up, the GEEKOM Mini PC AX8 Max is one of the most well-balanced mini PCs on the market right now. You're getting desktop-class performance in a palm-sized device, loaded with modern features, top-tier connectivity, and enough horsepower for professional work, gaming, and media. And remember, the best price for this is in the link below, but deals like this don't last forever. If you've been thinking about getting a mini PC that can do it all, now's the time to grab it.